everyone. Today's tech news is: Number 1. The future of solid-state batteries could be 3D printed. That means batteries could have customized shapes. Number 2. Signalis is old-school PlayStation-era horror at its best. If you miss the days of old-school Resident Evil and Silent Hill, this is just the thing. Number 3. LEGO is moving on from its Mindstorms educational robots. It's spiking the brand, and focusing on its LEGO Education brand. Number 4. Xbox and PC players can't disable crossplay in Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2. Activision has once again stopped Xbox and PC players from disabling crossplay, but PlayStation players get to toggle the setting on or off. Xbox and PC players aren't happy. Number 5. Honda sets up the first motorcycle battery swap station for its mobile power packs. Gogoro's got some big competition, as Honda's vision of swappable batteries has support from major Japanese motorcycle brands. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more information.
You